So finally we are back. I just spoke with the organizer, 2 years online, and now we are live. And I feel great, you know, I always feel great in Turkey. I start working in Turkey now, more than 20 years ago. So I know Turkish market very well and a lot of partners. We already invested a lot in Turkey last 20-25 years. And yeah, one thing more. I followed some presentations and believe me, I understood some words. Cloud computing, data center, edge, network, everything else were just details. So actually, we speak the same language, even English, Turkish, any other language. I hope you will understand my presentation. If not, we have our stand just behind the wall, and with our team, they can all speak Turkish language. So I just want to give you a high-level overview about the company. So we are a privately held company based in Chicago, Illinois, US. Altogether, we are about 5,000 employees globally. And what is very important, our research and development department, we have 18 laboratories in Chicago, 2,000 patents. So that's why very innovative company with a lot of new products, solutions all the time. Global footprint, and that's why also Turkey is a very, very important market for us. So that's why we are also here today as a sponsor of this event. And not just this event, we have our partners here, our distributors. So how actually we work globally? We as a company, Panduit, we don't deliver directly to the end users or even to our partners. So we have so-called distribution partners. And we have in Istanbul 3 or even 4 distributors, 1 in Ankara. So you can always find our authorized distributors, and they keep stock so they can deliver directly from their stock to you. So no need to wait deliveries from European Central Warehouse or even from US. You can see all the numbers, how many in EMEA. So approximately 500 locations in EMEA. EMEA means Europe, Middle East, Africa. Yeah, Panduit strategy. Actually, I don't want really to speak about our vision and mission, but what is absolutely important, we have 4, let's say, divisions or business units. The first one, actually, Panduit started from the first one, from electrical. You all know cable ties, labeling systems, grounding, connectors, and so on. Then enterprise, in other words, this is more or less network cabling systems and solutions. The very important is a data center business unit, so complete system and solution for a data center. We'll speak a little bit later on. I will show you all our product lines, but we cannot discuss about the products because we don't have enough time. Last but not least, Panduit just acquired 3-4 years ago a company, Atlona, audiovisual, and Atlona is now a Panduit company, and we also have a distributor in Istanbul. So for all audio-video systems, actually, we can support you. This is actually what I assume you all know, what causes of downtown. These percentages are even not important. Is it 59 or 60 or 70? Important is that passive physical infrastructure typically represents less than 5% of the total project capex. So less than 5%, why then we are talking about less than 5% of the investment? Because physical infrastructure is the lowest investment, but the longest lifespan. Just imagine you built a huge data center with thousands of cabinets, with a lot of cabling. At the end, you find out the cable is not right or bad quality or whatever, and you have to change all the cables. So less than 5% of the investment, but at the end, the biggest issue. Yeah, and also we still remember yesterday, or let's say the previous times, I don't want to say all times, where we run our cables or data just for voice and data. Today is completely different. So security, voice, data, digital, sensors, lighting, wireless, and so on and so on. Everything is actually in one system, one network at the end in a data center. Yeah, this is actually the where we are and where we are really working hard. So these are our product groups or product lines. Cabinets, thermal management, racks, and enclosures. So for your information, on the one of the first slides, actually I showed also our manufacturing, let's say, factories. We have several factories across the globe, and one of them is also in Europe, in Romania. And in Romania, we manufacture also cabinets. So when we have a project with cabinets, we deliver directly from Romania to the site. So for Turkey, actually the lead time is very short, because it's not, the distance is short, and we can manage by trucks. When I speak about our factory in Romania, we manufacture there also copper assemblies, copper patch cords, fiber patch cords, fiber assemblies, fiber pigtails, and so on. So the factory actually was a green investment. We built it approximately 10 years ago, and is completely under the let's say, quality control management of US team. So as I said, copper systems, majority of the products made in Romania. That's why, especially today, with all these, let's say, global problems with the transportation, costs and so on, is very important that our lead time for a copper system is very short. Fiber optic system as well, as I said. Yeah, we also, from time to time, organize a visit to our factory because it's not far. And we are open to show also to our, let's say, not just existing clients, but also to potential clients, our factory. Wire routing, management, and protection. On the other side, power and environmental security, connectivity hardware, monitoring, and services. Yeah, services are very important, because we don't want just to sell, and then we simply we are not there anymore. Even we give for the system 25 years, up to 25 years of system warranty. Services are very important for some software support and solutions. Grounding and bonding. Yeah, this is one product group or product line which is absolutely important in the data centers. So we just delivered to one big data center in one of your neighboring countries. In this data center will be just in the first stage approximately 1,000 cabinets. So and the huge part of the project was the grounding. So grounding in the data center doesn't mean that the system should be or must be shielded. Absolutely not, because we have a lot of other things, and according to the standard, I don't want to go into the details, but we provide complete grounding and bonding system for data centers and networks. Last but not least, science, labeling, and identification. So the same. I followed the first presentation, and I saw actually you also use European norms, and all the identifications are actually standardized by European norms. So we provide complete range of not just labels, but also printers, different kind of printers, and some of them you can see also on our stand. So yeah, this is actually the mix of the two divisions, let's say network division and electrical division. So we can provide really complete solution for a data center and network. What's coming? Yeah, there are some products coming very soon. We just launched the new UPS systems. At the beginning, just the small ones, up to 10 kVA, already available. If you contact our distributors, you can get also the price lists. And yeah, available, actually, we can deliver. We are working also to expand our portfolio on UPS in the future. So our roadmap for the next year or two, so we will provide the whole range of UPSs for data centers. For now, just up to 10 kVA. Before thank you, I really want to invite you to our stand just behind this wall, where our engineers and distributors, they can speak Turkish language. Not all engineers not, because they are not locals, but we can answer on many questions, and we can work all together on the data center. Maybe one thing I didn't mention, we have also our technical team to support you to design data centers. So we don't want just to sell our products, but we help you with the complete design. Thank you very much, and see you next time.